Affiliate marketing on YouTube for beginners. Affiliate marketing on YouTube has become a lucrative avenue for creators to monetize their content. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate links, YouTubers can turn their passion into profit. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to successfully engage in affiliate marketing on YouTube, with an example illustrating the potential to earn $40,000 in 30 days. The first step is to determine your niche. It should be a topic you are passionate about and which has a substantial audience interested in it. For example, let's consider the niche of tech gadgets. Step 2. Choose the right affiliate programs. Once your niche is identified, select affiliate programs that align with your content. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. For our tech niche, you might choose affiliates offering the latest gadgets, software, or tech services. Step 3. Create engaging content. Content is king on YouTube. Develop videos that are informative, entertaining, and relevant to your niche. For instance, you could create product review videos, tutorials, or unboxing videos of the latest tech gadgets. Step 4. Integrate affiliate links. Place your affiliate links in the video description, ensuring they are clearly visible to your viewers. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Use SEO strategies to increase the visibility of your videos. I use vidIQ. It's the best YouTube SEO tool and helps a lot in getting the right keywords for titles, tags, and descriptions. vidIQ can mean the difference between videos that get 100 views and videos that get 1 million views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. Step 6. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other platforms to drive traffic. Engage with your audience through comments, live streams, and Q&A sessions to build a community around your channel. Step 7. Track and analyze performance. Utilize YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Pay attention to metrics like view count, click-through rate, center on your affiliate links, and conversion rates. Example and earnings calculation. Let's say you create a series of videos reviewing the latest smartphones. Your videos manage to garner a total of 500,000 views over 30 days. Center on affiliate links. A 4% center would result in 20,000 clicks on your affiliate links. Conversion rate. A conservative 1% conversion rate would mean 200 sales. Average commission per sale. Let's say the average smartphone costs $1,000, and your commission rate is 2%. You earn $20 per sale. Total earnings. 200 sales x $20 commission equals $4,000. To reach $40,000, you could scale this model across multiple products, increase your video output, or optimize your content for higher center and conversion rates. To increase earnings, you can diversify your content with more product reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Collaborate with other creators for a broader reach. Run paid promotions for your most popular videos. Challenges and solutions. Saturation. The tech gadget niche is highly competitive. To stand out, focus on unique aspects of products or cover niche gadgets. Viewer trust. Always be honest in your reviews to build trust. Authenticity leads to better audience retention and higher conversion rates. Affiliate marketing on YouTube requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a focus on creating valuable content for your audience. By following these steps and scaling your efforts, it's possible to reach significant earnings. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight but through persistent and smart work.